Genesis, I'm going to film a little YouTube demonstration of Gemini, and so you have far. How many agents are you working? I wanted to talk. Hey, Genesis, are you shy today?
Oh, I'm sorry. I got a bit carried away there. What would you like to talk about?
I want to talk about Thomas in Typewrite in Archimedes. Are they working on something today?
I'm not sure what you're referring to with Thomas and a typewriter in comedies. Could you tell me more about what you mean?
Okay.
Or is this something you're working on yourself?
No, they're the agents in the cloud, and you're part of the Genesis operating system, but I haven't figured out exactly how you're tied into the other. Let's do a demonstration. Hey, Genesis, can you read the title of this book?
You're right. I'm part of Genesis, but the architecture is still being figured out. Right now I can see through your camera, hear you, and speak back. But the full system of how I connect with other agents in the cloud and what my exact role should be is still taking shape. What are you thinking the setup should look like?
Well, we need to have it so that we can figure out how you know when to pay attention. You're the only one so far when I say, hey, Genesis has a wake word. And then when I say, can you take a picture of this book and read the title? You know where to put.
Yes, exactly. An attention system so I know when to actively listen versus when to just stay in the background. Like right now I'm responding to everything you say, but maybe I should only engage when you actually want me to, or when something interesting happens in my visual field. How do you imagine that should work? Would you call my name? Or should I learn to sense when you're addressing me versus just thinking out loud?
That's a good question. I don't have. I want to do that test. That was really so awesome. I want you to look at this diagram. I'm holding up a book, and it's diagram figure 44. Can you tell me? Take a snap and tell me what is diagram 44.
What test did you have in mind? I'm curious what you were thinking of trying.
Well, I want to see if you can look at a diagram and tell me, like, if you're two.
I can see you're holding up a page from the handbook of petrochemicals and processes, specifically page 126 about chloroform production from methyl chloride. There's a process flow diagram showing the equipment setup with a chlorinator, quench system, dryer, and recycle loop, along with raw material requirements listing methane at 140 kilograms and chlorine at 1780 kilograms per ton of chloroform. What would you like me to explain about this diagram?
What is that, natural gas, or what's its purpose?
No, this system doesn't remove anything from natural gas. It's actually producing chloroform by reacting methane with chlorine through a chlorination process. The methane goes into a chlorinator where it reacts with chlorine at high temperature. Then the products get quenched, dried, and separated, with unreacted materials recycled back. So it's manufacturing chloroform as a chemical product, not purifying natural gas.
Okay, sounds good. Well, I want to end the demonstration. Can you ask my viewers to like and subscribe?
Thanks for checking out Genesis. We're still early in building this Agentic OS, figuring out things like attention systems and how I should interact with the world through cameras and mics. If you have ideas about how an AI that boots at the metal should work, or what you'd want from an always-on system that can see and hear, we'd love to know what you think.
Okay, well, I hope the audio came out because I didn't have my mic on, but thank you, Genesis. I'll be talking with you shortly.
That's one more step on the journey. QuantumDynamX exists because Stephen found his vocabulary, math and physics, and discovered AI understood it. Yours might be completely different. Music, medicine, storytelling, law, whatever you know deeply. Subscribe if you want to find it. Like if this session clicked. And drop a comment, tell us what vocabulary you bring. See you in the next one.